Hi everyone, and welcome to this 5-minute yoga routine suitable for beginners and designed to help you fall into a regular yoga practice. You won't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, so whenever you are ready, let's begin. We'll begin by bringing one hand onto the belly, one hand to the chest. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, release your breath out through the mouth. Take another deep breath in through the nose, filling up the lungs and the belly. Exhale through the mouth to completely release. One more breath just like this in your own time. And then eventually opening up the eyes. As we inhale, reach both hands all the way up to the sky, bring the palms together at the top, and exhale the hands down to your heart space. Take another inhale as we sweep the hands up high. And this time as we exhale, drop the right hand, reaching the left arm up and over. Taking a few big breaths here into the left hand side of your body. Deep belly breaths here all the way in and all the way back out, inviting that stretch through the side body. Inhale, come back through center, and as we exhale, drop the left hand, reach the right arm up and over. Only moving as deeply into this stretch as feels good for you. Lengthening the right arm away, stretching the side of your waist. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Inhale, come back through center, reach the hands up, and exhale your hands to your heart. Take the hands onto the knees and find a few big shoulder rolls here, just shrugging the shoulders up towards the ears, back and down. Just shaking off your day so far, releasing any tension. And then lift those hands out to the side and twist towards your right. Left hand to the right knee. Turn your chest around. Keep your spine nice and long. With every inhale, the crown of the head reaches up. With every exhale, move a little deeper into your twist. Next breath, release back through center, roll the shoulders back, and then twist towards the left, the right hand to the left knee this time. Every inhale, we sit up just a little bit taller, and every exhale, we twist around just that little bit further. Breathe deep. And then release slowly back to center. From here, we'll transition into our tabletop on all fours. Wrists are under shoulders, knees are under hips. As we inhale, drop the belly, point the tailbone up, look forwards. Exhale, chin to chest, round the back. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, chin to chest, round your spine. Let's continue to move and breathe in this way, just rolling through these cat-cows, stretching out your spine. Inhale forwards and exhale under. Then come back into center. Let's drop down to the elbows this time and just think about taking a few big circles through your hips. Inviting as much movement into your hips and your low back as possible. Maybe switching directions at some stage. Before coming back to stillness, returning back to the hands and the knees. From here, tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back, finding your downward facing dog. And we might begin to march out the feet here, bending one knee at a time, just working out the hamstrings. Taking a break from this any time that you need. And then we might come back to stillness with the knees straight or deeply bent like so. Breathe deep. Send the gaze towards the hands and then take as many little steps as you need to the center of your mat. Take hold of opposite elbows and find a gentle sway side to side, forward fold. Release any tension away from your neck, your back. Coming back through center, releasing those hands and slowly rolling yourself up to standing, taking the hands up to the sky and exhale, cactus, the elbows open, shine your heart up. Good, release and come back to center. Hands together at your heart space and bow down to yourself for this practice. And namaste. Like this video if you liked, subscribe if you would like to see more from me, and have a fantastic rest of your day.